Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rashi and I know this lipstick is very much attracting. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this. Well, talking about today's video, I'm going to show you guys the front look and I'm going to do a head twist. Well, you can carry this head twist hairstyle like anywhere. There's not a proper function to do it. You can do it for a wedding, for office, for casual, for party, anywhere. And it requires very few products. Like I just need a bobby pin or a normal tic tac also works. And you just need a comb just to section and make your hair look much more proper and manageable. And without anything else, let's get started. Tail comb. Well, this is by Roots Professional, and I'm just going to comb my hair so that there are no knots in the hair. So this is perfect hair and manageable to do the hair. Grab few of my bobby pins, so this will keep the hair in place. So we are going to lock our final hair in this, and let's do the rules that what should be your hair parting. You can do the same thing with the middle parting. Well, my one is always the side one, so I'm going to do it this way. You can do whatever you're comfortable with. So I'll be combing through my hair and I'll naturally get my parting here. You can see. So I'm going to take the first thin section of hair. Well, this tail comb helps very much when it comes to sectioning. Well, this is my first section. Now I'm going to divide this first section into two, like so. So the front section comes on the back section and the back one comes in the front. Now I'm going to grab more hair from the second section, mix it with the lower one and again take it above the first one. I'm going to do the same thing till I go back. Again I'm taking a new section, mixing it with the below lower one and going above through the first one. So I'll keep on doing it. Just see how my fingers are moving and how I'm taking my hair, lifting it up and down. You'll be seeing very nice layers of your twist. So this is how you can see that twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I can see. Well, you can take all the twist till the back, but I usually like to keep it just till here, so I'm going to now pin it. Well, I am going to remove a very little pieces of hair from each section, so it gives a very nice texture. Well, this is also called as pancaking the twist. I'll twist it a little more like so and I'll take it into the back and then I'm going to pin my hair. And this is the bobby pin what I'm going to use. Make sure you pin your bobby pin in a cross section so that the pin doesn't move. I'll show you if you guys can see it, like so. I hope you guys see first one. Well, this is completely optional if you want to do the second part of the hair. But yes, I'm going to do the second part of the hair. You guys can stop at this level as well. But I'll show you the finished twist look from both the sides. Again, I'm taking a section from here. I'll be dividing it into the two sections. The first goes above the second comes down. Take a new section, mix it with the lower section and twist like so. Again take a section, mix it and take it above. Take it, mix it and take it above like so. You guys can see very small twist. Well, we have taken a lot amount of hair on this side, so that is the reason here you will get a very less hair, and I don't even have much growth, so that you can see pretty much twist here. And now I'll be twisting my hair again like so, like this. I'll take it back and I'll again pancake my twist like so. 1, 2, 3 and 4 twist what I've got. I have a lot of baby hair, so it tends to come out. so you might not see pretty much twist here. Also, I've taken a lot amount of hair this side, so you can see here the twist clearly. Now I'm going to pin this side as well. Secure your sections very nicely with a bobby pin and make sure you keep it in a cross section so that it doesn't move. Like this is how I've done it. And this baby hair are going to come up, so I'll be trying to settle it down like so. So this is the final twisted look. You guys can see how much it is changing my face profile as well. And this is something you can carry anywhere in the office, wedding, anywhere. It is just that it depends on what kind of makeup you're applying, and that is it. So this is a wonderful twisted braid look. I hope you guys like it. Well, one more thing I can tell you guys is you can keep your hair open like this. You can even straight your hair, or even you can curl your hair. It will give an amazing effect to your hair. Well, I'm not going anywhere right now. I have just done it for shooting this, and this is like a go-to hairstyle anywhere. So I'm not going to do anything to my lower part of the hair. I like it natural, wavy and all. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you're not done yet. Thank you.